It was 2023. My website got hit by the September Google core update. My only source of income was at risk. For a moment, my dream of never getting into a 9 to 5 was in danger. But then something happened. I got traction on YouTube and decided to go all in. And today, that YouTube channel is making $4 to $5K in monthly recurring revenue. And no, I don't have thousands of subscribers. So yes, YouTube is worth it. And not just as a creative endeavor, but as a dependable source of income. In this video, I will share how YouTube can change your life along with the struggles and lessons to give you a head start. And at the end of this video, I will share a secret hack that will cut down your production effort and cost by 50%. But first up, sharing a little backstory. It was 2019 and I had just started my freshman year at college. I was looking for ways to make money online and content writing caught my eye. I even got a blog writing internship at otakukart.com, which is a popular anime website. I had no plans of getting into videos back then and had zero equipments and public speaking skills. So I just proceeded with blogging with some friends and we made an affiliate website where we would review products and add affiliate links. And by the way, I was not doing this full time. I would also go to college, do my studies and work on my physique. After months of effort, the blog website took off and then we started taking it seriously. However, due to some mistakes on our end, we were penalized by Google algorithm update. We ended up selling that website for a few $1,000s, but it was not the end. I took all my learnings and experiences and implemented them on a new website in the home improvement niche. The website grew rapidly and within 6 months, we surpassed the 2-year revenue of the previous website. And while I was happy, the money was not enough to sustain me. So I was doing freelancing projects on the side which was making me a decent amount. And this was back in 2022 when I graduated and also bought my first apartment. But no, it was far from a happy ending because of what was about to happen. The 2023 Google core update came and it penalized content websites across the globe. And even though we were not at fault, but we had to deal with the consequences. In fact, the top website in our niche fell from 150K to a few thousand traffic a month. So I knew there was no point whining or complaining about it. It is just how the game is. Yes, it hurts because when you build something, putting months of effort and money, and then everything collapses within a few weeks. This core update forced a lot of people to leave the SEO industry. But there was something interesting happening parallelly. Exactly 1 year ago, my partner had started repurposing our blogs and articles into simple YouTube videos. Nothing fancy, just simple stock footages with high quality content. We did not even use voiceovers back then. I did not even pay that much attention to the YouTube channel because our website is the main focus. But my partner kept uploading a few videos once in a while. In 2023, our YouTube started growing exponentially. We started getting almost 20 to 30K monthly views on our videos. This is when we decided to double down on YouTube and put a halt on SEO articles because it was not yielding any results. Since I already had data of what's working, we started targeting easy to rank keywords where small channels were succeeding. This gave me a framework to do topic research and to go after video topics that are low competition but high demand, ensuring more views per video. And trust me, there is no rocket science behind the growth of this channel. It was all about providing high quality content with proper research and focusing on my target audience who are in their 30s and 40s. I have made a complete strategy breakdown for the channel's growth in this video. And guess what happened next? The YouTube growth took off, touching almost 60K views per month, and the revenue surpassed my blog earnings. And in case you're wondering what's the main source of income, it's not AdSense. I mean, yeah, we did get monetized and the ad revenue is decent, but 90% of our income comes from affiliate commissions. And that is how a stable monthly recurring revenue started coming in. So what was next? I had to replicate my YouTube growth in other niches as well. So we ended up creating a SaaS-based channel a few months ago, and it is already crossing 60K views as I'm speaking. Now enough about me. Let's look at what you can take away and implement from my journey. Currently, with the rise in video consumption, YouTube is the best platform to build an audience and make passive income. And there is no simple hack, just simple logic behind this. I am targeting evergreen topics, especially on low competition keywords, which ensures me consistent views from search engines and also YouTube suggestions. And no, I'm not against SEO or blogging, but written content is too risky for businesses amidst all the constant algorithm updates, as Matt Digity, the SEO guru, himself said.
And in just 3 years of doing YouTube, I've generated over $1 million in affiliate commissions and leads through YouTube, not to mention a cool $100,000 from AdSense.
Other social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram mostly works on short-term virality, where every content piece dies down after a certain period of time. But businesses need long-term traction, where they get views and conversions on their videos for years. I mean, you don't want to make a video which only gets views for 3 months and then becomes stagnant. But here is the funny part. Getting on YouTube is actually easy. You don't need to be Mr. Beast or get viral and get millions of subscribers to start making money from YouTube. I need you to shift your focus from quantity to quality. Think about having a small audience base but a tight-knit community where you will give value. And let's say you're selling a high-ticket product, you're going to make much more from this than most viral video channels on YouTube solely relying on ad revenue. Now here is that mind-blowing tip I promised you, which will cut down your production effort and cost by 50%. A lot of people complain that they're not comfortable with camera and that video is not their thing. Well, guess what? No face, no problem. Face videos like the one you're currently watching can work well, but they're not the only way to grow on YouTube. You can even make faceless videos like this and this. In fact, 5 out of 6 channels I'm running are faceless, and faceless channels work fine. Here is why. Your viewers care about the solutions and the quality of your content, not your face. I even use AI voiceovers, and I know your first impression will be, AI voice? Why? But trust me, they are getting better and better each day. What you can't compromise is the quality of your scripts and providing high-value content with proper research and storytelling. Stop obsessing over fancy edits and setups. These things are the least you need to worry about. Now I know a lot of you here are looking to start your YouTube journey. I mean, you have to start somewhere. But consuming so many videos and advices can be overwhelming. So what you need is a proven roadmap. And I don't want you to spend money on courses or ebooks, not at least at this stage. So here is a formula for your YouTube success, which you will find in my exclusive Discord community for free. I will leave the link in the description below. Here I have covered some non-negotiables for your YouTube journey, which will give you a head start. Thank me later. And by the way, if you're serious about getting started on YouTube, check out my complete strategy breakdown of how I took my faceless channel from $0 to $5,000 a month in this video.